everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my go-to clubbing makeup look. I forgot what it's called. So yeah, this is what I really just go for. It isn't that much different than my normal everyday makeup, except it's just a bit more dramatized and dramatic than what my everyday makeup is. So that's about as exciting as it gets with me. Yeah, if you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep watching. Okay, so firstly, please excuse how I am looking at the moment. I haven't done my hair, I haven't done my makeup, I'm just wearing a dressing gown. So I just wanted to start fresh so that you guys could see the from before to the after. I did not know what's going on with my hair either, but we'll put that behind us. Alright, so I'm just going to get my clip just to clip the front fringe out of my face, because I can't deal with having it in my face. Not when I do my makeup anyway. So I did fake tan the other night, so I think 2 nights ago. So I'm going to be using my darkest shade, which is the Revlon Colour Stay in 250 Fresh Beige. And I feel like this one just matches it really, really well. I also like this one, this brand. It does have SPF 15 in it, but I feel like it doesn't actually show on camera, like when you get your photo taken in the nightclub or anything, it doesn't show. So, and it's also quite a good thickness, I would say. It's quite thick, but it's not too thick, so I feel like it still makes your skin look really good. Also, I just washed my face before. I haven't put any primer on. I don't really like to wear primer too much. I just don't feel like it actually really works with my skin very well. So I'm just going straight in with the foundation. As always, I'm just getting my flat top foundation brush and I'm just buffing it into my skin. So now I am just getting my concealer, which is pretty much empty. I think I threw away my new one that I bought because I don't know where it's gone. But we will just see if we can get anything out of here, because I really need to conceal my bags like badly. Oh, also this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Honey Meal. And yeah, there's like nothing. Oh, bugger. Okay, well instead I'm just going to get my Erase Paste by Benefit in No. 1 Fair. It's going to be too light, but I really just need to do just a little bit of covering underneath my eyes because they are just really bad at the moment. So I'm just spreading it out underneath my eye because the finger is actually helping warm it up a bit. I'm not the biggest fan of this concealer, but it's all I have at the moment because I decided to chuck out all my makeup. And it's left me with no concealers. Everything else I'm fine on, just not my concealers. Now I'm getting my Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in 001 Transparent. And I just pat it all over my face to set all my concealer and foundation. So this has actually been my favouriteest powder for a really long time. I would say for probably like, when did I start wearing makeup? Probably since like 2010, I would say, is when it's been my favourite, and it's just always been the powder I've bought. I did try NARS at one point, but it was so expensive for how little powder you got, and like, because I use powder every day, it just was not enough for me. And this one definitely does not give me any flashback either, which is great. Which is exactly what you want when you're going out, because you don't want to have a white face in pictures. You want to have a good time, know that you can have some nice pictures and it'll all be sweet. Okay, so now I'm just getting my Ben Nye Powder Rouge in Contour No. 1. And I like to use my Royal Nickel Complexion C185 brush because I feel like the density just helps put it where I need it. And then I just sort of like shape out the underneath of my cheekbones. It is harsh at the moment, but it won't be as harsh later on. I feel like also I prefer to go just a little bit darker when I do my nightclubbing makeup, because when you do have photographs and stuff in the clubs and the clubs are dark, it just stands out just a little bit more. I also take my Royal Nickel crease brush in BC 430 and I just like to contour the sides and the tip of my nose. So now I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. So it just looks like that. And I just dab it. So like that, I just dab. And then I just work it in circles along my cheekbones just to help break up that contouring and just give it a bit more colour. Are you ruffing? Why are you ruffing at me? Come here then. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Don't look at me like that. Hold on. Let's show you guys. There. Are you going to stop ruffing at me? No. Okay, and now for my blush, I'm just getting my MAC in Pinch Me. Oops. So it's a pretty kind of pinky reddy colour. And again, I just like to dab it on. I don't like to do anything intense because I don't want my blush to be too... Oh my god, you got red cheeks. Now I'm just getting my MAC Soft and Gentle. It's almost done. I do need another one. Look, it's about to hit pan. Half it is hit pan. And I'm just using my Royal Nickel something blush brush. The words have gone, that's how much I use it. And I just put it on my cheekbones. And down my nose. Now onto my eyebrows. Actually, I might zoom you guys in a little bit for this stuff. So now for my eyebrows, I'm just using my NYX in Taupe Ash. So it's like that, and I just use that colour. I don't do too much to my eyebrows, as you can already see that they're already quite dark. It's kind of just to give them a little bit more shape so they don't look so different. Because if you can see, this one is more straight across here and this one goes more like that, angled. So my most used palette and everything like that is my Stila Eyes of the Window Soul palette. I feel like if you watch my tutorials, a lot of my makeup is done with this palette. Oops. I'm not going to change. So this is just a perfect example of when I find something I like, I really don't change. Like, don't change at all. Because I think I've had this palette for 4 or 5 years now. No regrets. So I'm going in similar to what I do with my normal everyday eye makeup, because I feel like this suits my eye the best. And then I kind of just go in and darken it more with the black. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm just going in with this dark brown here. Okay, so now I'm just getting this black shade and I'm just taking it lightly on my brush and I'm just going to add it to the outer corner very slightly. Now I'm just getting my smaller brush. I'm going to grab the same brown shade and I'm just putting it underneath my eye. And then again, just getting the black, I'm just going to put it in the outer corners of my eyes just a little bit and slightly just to darken up. So now I'm going back to my MAC Soft and Gentle. And I'm just taking my Royal Lanicle mini flat shader brush and I'm just putting it in the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten it up a bit. Okay, so now I'm getting my Maybelline New York Master Precise Liquid Liner and I'm just going to line the top of my lash line. Okay, now my next step is putting on my mascara. I use my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof. Where? Bless me. So when I go out, I always want to wear like a dark set of eyelashes. I'm actually not sure what ones these are, but they are from Price Sign and they are not Adele. I think it was like a new brand I've never seen before. They were a little bit more on the pricey side, but I feel like they sit really nice. I think it was like XXX or something like that, or XX, or I'm actually not 100% sure, but that's what they are. Let it all go out and start again. Yeah, I can go with this colour. Alright, so I'm just going to go wear my, oh, I covered my mouth. I'm just going to wear my MAC lipstick in Retro. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm just going to go do my hair and get dressed and then I'll come back and show you the final product. Yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm just wearing a simple black top with some high-waisted blue jeans. And that is just what I'm wearing. It is a lot more simple than what I used to go, but I feel like simple's okay today. I just feel like I'm feeling simple. So yeah, that is my look for today. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see any more tutorials like this, then let me know. I'm also thinking of filming my favourite clubbing looks, like clothes wise and things like that. So if you would like to see that sort of stuff, then let me know. And I will see you guys later. Bye!